Hello people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be discussing the realities behind 10 common misconceptions about the solar system. Watch this video till the end and let me know if you believe any of these. Number 1. Only Saturn has rings. This is incorrect. In our solar system, Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn and Neptune, all of them have rings. But the rings of Saturn are by far the most visible in our solar system. Planetary rings consist mostly of dust and small icy bodies. Many of these bodies are leftovers from the protoplanetary disk. Debris from larger objects like moonlets are also found in the ring. If you watch Saturn's rings closely, you will see there are gaps in the rings. These gaps are formed as a result of moons that are present within the rings. Such moons are known as shepherd moons. They define the inner and outer boundary of each part of the ring. Misconception number 2. Asteroid belt is dense. Hollywood movies would like us to believe that asteroid belt is very dense, and if you had to send a spacecraft through it, you would need lasers to shoot them down and clear a path for yourself. But this is not the reality. Could you help me recollect all the planets of our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Ceres, Pallas, Juno, Vestas, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, right? I know this is wrong, but this is what most children believed back in the day when scientific advancements were not up to the mark. The space between Mars and Jupiter is very vast. Ceres, Pallas, Vesta and Juno are some of the largest objects in the gap between Mars and Jupiter. With the increase in advancements in science, more and more such bodies were found in the gap. This led to categorizing the gap between Mars and Jupiter as the asteroid belt. There are hundreds of objects in the asteroid belt, but Ceres, Pallas, Vesta and Juno are by far the biggest. The distance between objects in the asteroid belt is so immense, special efforts need to be taken in order to get a spacecraft close to one of them to study them. Mankind has sent numerous spacecraft through the asteroid belt without any hassle. Misconception number 3. Solar system ends after Pluto. This is the picture of Pluto that we had up till recently. With many scientific advancements, this is the latest picture of Pluto that we have now. As technology improved, we were able to find more and more such bodies like Pluto in the region. This led to dethroning Pluto as a planet and recategorizing the entire region as the Kuiper belt. Pluto is by far the biggest object in the Kuiper belt. Beyond the Kuiper belt lies a vast expanse of space consisting of many icy rocky objects that orbit the Sun. The vast expanse between Kuiper belt and Oort cloud, an area of tens of thousands of astronomical units wide, is still virtually unmapped. The Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud are the place where many comets call their home. It is believed that long period comets, that is comets which take more than 200 years to orbit the Sun, originate from the Oort cloud. Whereas short period comets, comets which take less than 200 years to orbit the Sun, originate from the Kuiper belt. The Oort cloud is the cosmographic boundary of our solar system. Misconception number 4. Mercury is the hottest planet. You may think Mercury is the first planet and it is the closest to the Sun, so it is only logical that Mercury will be the most hottest planet in our solar system. But that is not the case. Mercury does not have an atmosphere. The side facing the Sun gets extremely hot, whereas the side not facing the Sun gets extremely cold. The most hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. Venus has an atmosphere of thick carbon dioxide. It absorbs the heat of the Sun and keeps it trapped within the atmosphere. This causes the average temperature on Venus to be hundreds of degrees throughout the day and night. Misconception number 5. You cannot see the planets with naked eyes. This is again very wrong. I have made a video guide showing how you can identify the planets in the night sky. It is very much possible that you have been looking at a twinkling body in the sky but did not realize it is a planet all along. You can click for the link in the video at the top of your screen, and I'll have it included in the video description as well. Using our naked eye, we can see Mercury, Venus, Earth, it is right below your feet, Mars and Jupiter. Misconception number 6. Only Earth has moons. This is again wrong. In our solar system, with the exception of Mercury and Venus, all the other planets have moons. Saturn and Jupiter have the largest number of moons. With new technological advancements, we are able to detect smaller and smaller objects that orbit Saturn and Jupiter. Saturn and Jupiter are the leading contenders in the competition for the most number of moons. Misconception number 7. All planets have a rocky surface. The planets in our solar system are broadly categorized into two types: terrestrial planets and gas giants. The inner planets are mostly terrestrial planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The remaining, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune and Uranus, are all gas giants. They are made up of mainly hydrogen and helium. They do not have a surface. As we move towards the interior of the planet, the pressure gets so immense that the gas is transformed into a liquid state. We are not even sure if these planets have a core. Misconception number 8. All moons are round. This is again untrue. This is even false for all the planets. Most planets have a slight equatorial bulge. Think of belly fat but for planets. The equatorial bulge is a function of the size of the planet and the speed of its rotation. Such a shape is known as an oblate spheroid. Whereas moons are concerned, in our solar system, moons come in all shapes and sizes. There are even moons that look like potatoes. Think of Phobos and Deimos. A fun fact about Phobos and Deimos: these are moons of Mars. Phobos orbits so close to Mars that in the future it will be crushed by its gravity and Mars will have a ring. Looks like Earth is jealous. Whereas the opposite is true for Deimos. It orbits Mars at such a distance that Mars is losing grip over it and it will be lost to Mars in the future. Misconception number 9. Earth and Moon are close together. The Moon appears big and bright in a night sky. It may want to make us think that it is very close to Earth, but it is not. Come to think of it, the diameter of Earth is about 12,000 kilometers. If you own a vehicle and you have been using it for the last couple of years, go ahead and check your odometer. That is the distance your vehicle has traveled. I bet it will be more than 12,000 kilometers. The distance between Earth and Moon is so immense that if we could arrange all the planets pole to pole in a line between the Earth and Moon, we would still have room to spare. Such is the distance between Earth and Moon. Misconception number 10. Jupiter is a failed star. Jupiter is made up mainly of hydrogen and helium gas, same as our Sun. So it is only logical to believe that Jupiter was a failed star. But the truth is, Jupiter is not even close to being a star. For Jupiter to be able to ignite a nuclear fusion reaction within its core, it would have to be 75 times its current size, which is really massive. Were you able to learn something new from these videos? Did you believe any of these misconceptions? Let me know down in the comments below. What would you like to see next? What fascinates you more about the solar system? Have it posted down in the comments so we all can grow in knowledge. Know someone who is interested in astronomy? Share this video with them and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye bye.